Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to delete the browsing data or browsing history in your Brave browser. It is super simple, so let me guide you through this really quickly. In the first step, launch the Brave browser, of course, on your device like your computer. And on your home screen, guys, click on these three horizontal lines here at the top and select delete browsing data from that drop-down menu. And after that, you can choose between basic or advanced settings. Here I will go with advanced for demonstration purposes. Now here you can choose a time range. For example, you would like to delete the data or browsing data from like the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last week, the last month, or your entire browsing history. And below that, guys, simply select the aspects you would like to delete, like your browsing history, your download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords, autofills, and so on and so forth. And to confirm your decision, guys, simply click on delete data here in the bottom right corner. And that's all you need to do, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.